If you're planning to ride a motorcycle in Texas, here's how to get your license, whether you're under or over 18. First, no matter your age, you need to complete a state-approved motorcycle safety course. Once done, you'll get a certificate that stays valid for 24 months. That certificate lets you skip the written test if you're 18 or older. Now, let's go over the process for minors first. If you're under 18, you'll need a parent or guardian to come with you to your appointment. You must already have a Class C learner license or a provisional one, plus a DE 964 certificate from a 24-hour driver ed course. You'll also need to show proof you're enrolled in school or bring your diploma or GED. At the license office, bring your completed application, your safety course certificate, and your other documents. Then, you'll pay the fee, take the motorcycle drive test, give your signature and thumbprints, and have your picture taken. Double-check all your info before you leave. Your actual license should arrive in about 2 to 3 weeks by mail. Now, if you're 18 or older, things are simpler. Just complete the motorcycle safety course, book an appointment, and bring your certificate, application, and valid Texas license, Class A, B, or C. If you meet these requirements, you can skip the driving test too. You'll still need to provide your thumbprints and signature, have your photo taken, and check your temporary license for errors before leaving. The drive test is only waived if you're over 18 and meet one of 2 conditions. You already hold a valid unrestricted Texas license, or you're moving from another state or Canada with a valid motorcycle license. If you're just starting and want a motorcycle learner license instead, you can apply for that as well. And that's it. Once you're done, just wait for your official license to arrive by mail.